The awakening, morning air awash with subtle tang. A trickle, a babble seems to resonate with my soul. Eddies, creating form, infinitely emerging, melt into shimmering brook. A rich tapestry of textures abounds, this lush canvas of new growth, reflected in still waters, cleansing, restoring. Shrill chatter from eager beaks, the hum of lacy wings colliding in dizzy motion, yet demands it not, only presence abides. Freedom, creating an opening from within. Hawthorn bears its heady note, then sweet scent of elders bloom as May yields itself freely to June. The passage of time never ending affords opportunity to expand. A connection alive, visceral, earthed. Light and shade echo this journey, our quest to find balance. Pause here a while. Breathe. This is now.